Are you confused? Do you play your guitar with a screwdriver? Is your roof crumbling in on you? No? Well, you probably aren't part of the new Mad Max artist scene that's going on right under your nose. Okay, try this exercise. Stop for a second, snap your fingers to this. We all knew that the one success of civilization, music, and its downfall, technology, would soon unite into one impending, strange, street folk music made by all people everywhere all the time doom. Where there's so many field recorder musicians making havoc in some post-apocalyptic, multi-tera bitches brew landscape that there aren't any listeners anymore. But who'd have expected to come curated in a cool handmade tape box set from some dedicated musicians and artists? Well, remember the days when John Cage threw parties over in IBM's basement and his project Sound Files found its way into the hands of Stuart Brand? Noise punk rock bands were bulldozing their own venues, or how old folk musicians were hitchhiking, hunkering down under blankets in the back of a truck just to play a show, and maybe there was some classic rock and roll stars taking private jets to meet with strange, curious sculptors in the desert. And oh, speaking of, remember the tape of Walter D. Maria's jam session with Henry Flint? Apparently that sort of thrill thing still goes on. If you'd traveled the world the way I did, you might have caught a glimpse of it. So we decided to gather it all, release it as a cool, handmade, curated, mail-order release on tape. And it comes as a research investigation into a library of human expression.
Well, I fell out with you around the time of the supermoon.
Ran me out in the cold.